Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your new voicemail ring on the iPhone. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then go to the sounds and haptics, so this is this icon right here. Then you want to go to the news voicemail. And now you can choose from the, Apple options what you want to set the new voicemail ring. Also, if you go to the classic, you're going to find even more classic options, rings that you can choose from. So if you want to, for example, take note or portal, this is just click on the portal, and from this time this is going to be set as a new voicemail ring. Also, you can buy something from Tone Store. We have another video about that on our channel, and once you click download all purchased tones, they are going to be right here, and you're going to be able to choose from them. So again, once you select, just click on the one that you have chosen, and from this time this is going to be your new voicemail ring. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.